Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's August 20th. We had a very strong day today as Pro Farmer kicked off their crop tour, but we also have kicked off our 23rd annual yield survey. So we've been calling guys out there trying to get as many surveys as we can, and we really encourage you as a producers out there to participate in that. So if you can, give us a call over here and let us know what kind of yields you're looking at in your area. That way we can put together the best data that we can for you. We've done very well in the past over the last several years, and the only reason we've done that was because of your participation. So thanks for that, and I strongly encourage for you guys to do that once again this year. As I mentioned, things were stronger. Corn up 16.5 cents today. Beans up 37 3/4 cents, and wheat up about 8 1/4. So looks like right now markets are stronger. The guys are anticipating this to be a stronger week, and we may go on up try to test these highs this week. At least that's what the market attitude is trying to portray here today. But also the good to excellent ratings. We are expecting corn to be unchanged. They were looking for beans to be up about 1%. And that's exactly how they came out. Corn at 23%, good to excellent. Beans now at 31, up 1 from last week. So that's what the market had expected. So that's not going to be a big market mover for tonight. I don't see that being a big turnaround Tuesday type market mover. But we may get a little setback though. But I think breaks are going to be well supported this week. As we go through this, as we go through these surveys. Not a lot of changes out there as far as weather. We do have the 6 to 10 day forecast bringing in some rain for more of the northern part of the belt. But spotty rains throughout the Corn Belt for the next few weeks. Temperatures should stay about average. We're not looking for any big heat wave to come through, and it's not supposed to cool off that much more. But not a lot of changes there. So we'll see what the attitude is as we go forth. But right now, weather has shifted. And more focus on what type of yields are out there, and we should have a better handle on that as we go through our survey here. As far as some of the outside markets today, not a lot of changings. The dollar down about 16 cents. Crude oil right about unchanged. Very quiet day in the energies today. But the dollar was higher earlier. It dropped back down about 16 cents. That helped boost the metal markets, gold and silver. When I came in this morning, gold and silver were trading quite a bit lower, and they turned around with gold trading higher right now as well as silver with a pretty big gain at this point. So, we'll see if they can hold on to those gains. As far as livestock, fat cattle up 20 cents today in the August, 121.20. Box beef at midday up $1.36. Select up 152. So once again, following suit with last week. Last week, wholesale beef was up anywhere from $6 to $8. So very strong move for wholesale beef. Certainly supporting prices. We had a strong week last week. Cash cattle traded $1 to $2 higher last week. Expecting to see things trade steady to maybe a little better once again this week. If that's the case, we probably will see some stronger markets again for cattle this week. And we'll see if we continue this trend that we're on. Things are strengthening for cattle, and the markets do look pretty good right now. As far as the hogs, down about 20 cents today. Kind of the reverse there. We're sitting near 76 right now for those for the hogs. Pork producers right now are running in the red. They're at a point right now where they're starting. We've got to feed this high-priced corn, high-priced meal. But seasonally what we're fighting is that we have a tendency to break from this point forward. So for this year, from right now till the end of the year, and so that's why we've seen these prices continue to slide right now, certainly trying to fight in the direction that we need to go. But the trends right now are still, we're in a downtrend right now in these hogs. Hopefully we can see a little more support, but that August contract right now is, the October contract right now is within a range. And between that $78 mark and down to that $74, we're still within that. So continue watching this. We're trending sideways for a short term in the hogs. Longer term trend is still down. So a little different action than what we're seeing in the cattle. But the seasonality in hogs is that we do see more of a sell-off here this time of year. So be careful of that. Overnight markets, I do feel that we could try to maybe try to take a little bit of a break here overnight, maybe try to back things off a little bit. I'm not looking for a huge sell-off. I think things will still be supported this week, and maybe try to go up and try to test those highs yet that we made off of the report, that USDA report that we had. So give us a call with any questions that you have at 800-262-7538, or you can check us out right online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.